The video is about getting rid of pop-up windows that are coming from the website Dcareyouto.top. The pop-up by Dcareyouto.top most likely happens on your screen as a result of some adware type program to be enabled. It is dangerous to interact with these pop-ups, and their mission is to force you into clicking on the Allow button in order to make you subscribed to the web push notifications by this website. I have to say that the feature of push notifications can be pretty decent in many cases. However, when we look at this resource, it is extremely malicious because instead of drawing your attention to something valuable or helpful, Dcareyouto.top instead forwards you to a lot of other deceptive websites in the internet. So stay away from interacting with these faulty messages and fake alerts. Do not click on this Allow button. And what to do if the Allow button was clicked by mistake? Of course, you need to fix your browser immediately. For this purpose, access the menu of your browser that experiences such problems. Go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. Now go to Permissions and you need to select Notifications. At this point, go to the bottom of the list that displays sites that are allowed to send notifications. Find any of these sites that are not genuine and get rid of them completely. Finally, I would also strongly advise that you perform additional research of your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and start examining your computer to be persuaded that there are no any other hidden threats remaining on your system.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed the Combo Cleaner antivirus, this is the way it looks like. There are three scan types available: Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The premium version is required if you would like to fully enjoy the feature called anti-malware and anti-ransomware. So you'll only be able to activate these two important features, these two important security mechanisms with the premium version of the program. Anti-malware scanner, it helps potential infections in the early stages. So that's the way to get your computer fully protected against all possible threats, infections, viruses, and other types of malware. Anti-ransomware feature, once it is enabled, protects your files from being encrypted. By the way, you may add a special folder where you will store all your important documentation that will be duly protected by the Combo Cleaner antivirus. So after you select your preferred scanned type, click on Start Scan, and the program will begin the checkup and the analysis of your computer. Not only will it detect problems related to threats like malware, ransomware, or viruses, it will also help you to fix and recover your browser from unwanted ads, redirections, intrusive push notifications, and other types of intrusive adware. So, after the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give you the report about the threats and their exact location on your computer. The good thing is that Combo Cleaner antivirus helped us to protect our computer and our important documentation from being encrypted by the ransomware. Therefore, use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fully protected against all sorts of contemporary threats. And you may find the link to download the program in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.